Channel Java learners. In the previous video, we have seen two static methods. In one static method, we are trying to filter out the project managers, and another static method, we are trying to filter out the employees whose salary is greater than 60,000. Right. So in these two methods, except these two lines, this one and the second one, the remaining piece of code is similar, right? So we are duplicating the code just for the sake of this simple boolean check, correct? Here based on the salary we are returning boolean value, and here based on the designation we are returning one more boolean value, and then adding those employee objects to the corresponding list. Fine. So in order to remove duplicates, and in Java 1.8 we have a concept called a predicate. It's not for duplicate. The concept of predicate is it will be having one. It is a predicate is basically is a functional interface which has one method called test method. It will take an object as an argument and it will return a boolean expression. Okay, so to that predicate we will pass our actual logic at the runtime so that the boolean can be written based on that. So I am going to modify this, so let it be for the time being. So I will just copy this, and I'm going to write a method called filter. That's it. This is used for all kind of filtering logic, whether it could be filter PM or whether it could be filter implies whose salary is greater than, right? So predicate, to the predicate what I'm passing, employee. Fine. Now this check I am going to remove, and I am going to replace with e dot test em. Okay. Now what's going to happen? Or else emp dot, yeah, predicate e, right? E dot test emp. Fine. Now I'm going to remove these two methods. Let it be for the time being. Now this logic of boolean check, what I'm going to do, I am going to write in employee class. Let's write public static is PM. Okay. Now here I am going to write just copy this. It is a cool. Yeah, and again there is one more thing, public static boolean is heavy highest paid employee, highest paid employee. So nowadays this is the COVID situation, right? The employees who are getting highest salary, they are going, they are terminating from the company, right? So this example will be useful if at all they have employee data, right? So this salary greater than 60,000. So just adjust the variables. So here it is. So I have defined two static methods inside an employee method, okay, where one method is used to check whether he is a PM or not, and another method is checking whether he is highest paid employee or not. Fine. So up to this clear. So we have written a filter method which is taking employee list and a predicate, and how we pass this filter method we are going to discuss now. Okay, and just for the time being remove these two methods. We don't need, right? Now, so here filter employee list. So we need to pass predicate, right? So how we are going to pass? Here, this is a concept of functional programming, where we can pass a function as an argument to another function. So here we are to this filter function, we are passing an employee list we need to pass and a predicate, right? So instead of predicate, so predicate is something which is expecting an object which has a overridden any method which should return a boolean, that's it. So I have in employee class a method called isPM which is accepting an employee object and which is returning a boolean check, right? So this one I can simply written as employee double colon operator, this is called double colon operator is PM, that's it. So if I am running this application again, run as Java application, I will get highest paid employee. Okay, sorry, this is a PM, right, which is going to give you the PMs of all the employees. Now if at all this is right, it's not huge salary, it is a PM list. Now if at all if I want to use highest salary list, what I am going to do, the same thing, just to copy it, highest paid list. So instead of is PM, just replace with is highest paid employee. Here only one condition check, but to this check we are passing a predicate, and to this predicate how we are passing, using employee colon this. Here we are passing is highest paid employee, this is a function as an argument to this filter method. So in Java 1.8 this feature is called method reference, where we can pass a method as an argument, okay, to another method. Okay, up to this clear? Fine. In the next video we are going to discuss, instead of writing this employee is paid employee and where is this is paid employee method all, we simply replace this particular call with lambda expression. Thanks for watching.